I'd feel desperately sad. You know, and it's a very pertinent question.
It's very difficult, isn't it? Your whole life's really, you know, in your house and all the contents in it, so it would be very difficult to give it away.
Your home's really what anchors you, isn't it? So you'd feel a bit adrift, a bit lost.
Oh, gosh, that's a hard one.
A framed photograph, because it's important. It's the only photograph that exists of my parents' wedding. So.
Probably my family and pets. It would be my Xbox because it's got FIFA on it.
I would save my mother's jewellery that she left to me when she passed away, because that's got huge sentimental value that you can't replace.
Oh, my two nieces.
Gosh, me personally, it would be my children.
Probably very few people, because they wouldn't mean as much to them as it would do to me.
Well, apart from my own family, I suppose. National Trust. I don't think they'd be interested in my positions, but...